Meet the LIGE 2022 new smartwatch. Features: incoming call, a SMS content push. Information reminder. There are function enable switches on the app side, incoming calls, text messages, WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Line, Instagram, Snapchat, Skype and other mobile applications, and events such as sitting, alarm clock, drinking water, taking medicine, etc. Information reminder, alarm clock, photo, raised wrist screen, sedentary reminder, stopwatch, countdown, search for mobile phone, bracelet brightness adjustment, bracelet screen duration adjustment, step counting, heart rate data synchronization, app support, exercise, mileage, calories, steps, sleep, total sleep, deep, light sleep time, history record, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep, exercise. Supported languages. The bracelet interface supports English, simplified Chinese, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, multi-language support for message content push.